Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, I come at you live and in living color here in Monticello, Arkansas at the Super 8 Hotel. That is correct. We're in Monticello at the Super 8. And I was at home in Jacksonville earlier today, and I got a notification on my phone that my package was in. And can you guess where the package come from? You know? I'm just putting a guess out there, not quite sure. No. Anyway, check this out. The Inferno Candy Company sent me a package, right? I'm the new products ambassador, one of their new product ambassadors, and here is the first thing in the box. Check it out. Hell Puffs. If you want me to try this Hell Puffs, leave a comment below and let me know. All right. Here's another one. Cheese Puffs. Check it out. If you want me to try this one, leave a comment below. Meltdown from the Inferno Candy Company. If you want me to try this one, let me know in the comments below. Check this out. Wow, that's so cool. Infused Carolina Reaper Chili Lime Chili Cheese Chip. Check that out. Hey, if you want me to try this one, leave a comment below. I'm going to try them all. But which one do y'all want me to try first? And I got one that is so cool. Oh my God, check this out. This is so awesome. By the way, this is the third time I've done this video, so sorry it was an unboxing, but the video didn't work. But anyway, check it out. Got this. Extremely hot. You put this in your coffee. It's called Jacked. I'm really impressed with this. I'm seriously liking the idea of this. It's got 2 ounces in it. I'm not sure how it's a espresso powder, black label chocolate sauce, Ghana powder, and some Reaper powder. Yeah, that sounds really good. Oh, and it's got 320 milligrams of caffeine in each shot. Are you kidding me? 320? That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot. Look at that. I'm not joking. Look at that. Look at all the caffeine in that. That is crazy. That's crazy. That sounds awesome. You know what? Check out this t-shirt. That's awesome. Got another t-shirt right here. Check this out. Still in the bag. See if I can get this out real quick. Show it to you. Check this out. This is a totally awesome t-shirt. Totally awesome. Check that out. That is so cool. And then we got this t-shirt here. Check this out. It's just like a little close to that one, but it's almost the same. Check it out. All right, so here's the deal. If you want one of these t-shirts of my choosing, I need you to use the promo code, TheVoice10, when you're in checkout in the Inferno Candy Company, okay? If y'all use that code, you'll be entered into a contest to win a t-shirt. I think that's a really cool idea. So, God bless America, God bless you, and I'll see y'all soon. And hopefully this video works. It is my 3rd try. God bless America, God bless you, and I'll see y'all next time, okay? Bye.